Today we'll talk about how can you change email on your Quizlet app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your settings. When just click on your settings, so then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on email. When just click here on email, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on continue with Google here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You add here new email. Then here you click on save. Then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.